Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to do a little quick rundown of something that I'm working on right now. I have to use this eyelet for this very small wire because it's all I can come up with on short notice. So I'm going to show you how to use a larger diameter connection for these smaller wires. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off that yellow plastic piece. It's not going to do you any good. Take your wire, you're going to strip it kind of long and fold it over twice. So you can get it into this. It's going to fit either way because it's too large. Then you're going to take one side and smash this down on one side only. And then grab it sideways, mash it together a little bit, and then grab the outer layer. And once you do that, then you can put your crimper in and smash it down like this, and then you got a nice tight connection. It's not ideal, but if it's all you can find for the size of hole you need, you can use this and then put some shrink tube over it. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share that and give you maybe some pointers on how to use some wiring in a pinch that you don't have the access to the right piece.